Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini like Google Assistant. To begin, simply open the Gemini application or website. You can then type your question or command into the chat box, or use the microphone icon to speak your request. Gemini is designed to understand natural language, so feel free to ask questions just as you would a person. For example, try asking for today's weather or a quick fact about history. Beyond basic queries, Gemini offers advanced features to enhance your experience. You can personalize settings to adjust its tone or information sources. Connect Gemini with your Google Calendar to manage your schedule or set reminders for important tasks. It's also a powerful tool for creative endeavors, helping you draft emails, generate ideas, or even write simple code snippets. Explore these options to make Gemini truly your own personal assistant. Gemini can significantly boost your daily productivity. Need to stay informed? Ask for the latest news headlines or sports scores. Planning an outing? Get instant traffic updates or discover nearby restaurants with just a few words. It's also an excellent tool for learning, providing quick definitions or translating phrases between dozens of languages. Let Gemini handle the small tasks, freeing up your time for more important things. To get the most out of Gemini, remember a few key tips. Always try to be as specific as possible with your questions. Clear prompts yield better answers. Don't hesitate to experiment with various types of queries, from factual questions to creative writing prompts, to uncover its full potential. Finally, providing feedback on its responses helps the system learn and improve, making your future interactions even more helpful. Enjoy exploring all that Gemini has to offer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.